Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Aquino.
Taglin Poliado, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Faustino Poliado.
Ronel Rubino, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Filemon Rubino.
Corsage bearers. Derek John de la Cruz, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Jason de la Cruz.
Mabel Alvarado, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Marlex Alvarado.
And Maricon Tabula, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Conrado Tabula.
Tumador kay Pailang, tumador. Tumador Pailang.
Waiters, Jezabel Tabula, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Cirilo Tabula.
Joyce Amelia Balao, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joey Balao.
And AJ Tironico, the son of Miss Janet Guillermo.
Scepter bearers. Ana Ruth Ronquillo, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roel Ronquillo.
Ray Connie Curata, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Raymond Curata.
Rob bearers. Jasmine May De Jesus, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Domingo De Jesus Jr.
Renz Jan Tamayo, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Rowdy Tamayo.
Rob bearers. Kyle Angelo Orata, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Orata.
And Casey Bonifacio, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Edney Bonifacio.
Trophy bearers. Lennox Irving Tapun, the son of P.O.3 and Mrs. Roderick Tapun.
And Julio Paulo Oberita, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Judy Oberita.
Ginakong, ginakong, gibaba nakong, gibaba. Ginakong, diga kayo nga tuwan ni Sango. Ay, ginakong, abay na gini.
Second Prince, Ronald Lorenzo Jr., the son of Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Lorenzo Sr.
Kasi ka pa, kasi ka.
Second princess,
Kasi ka pa yung nakong.
Maya Nicole Olaso, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Fred Olaso.
Rendering to us an intermission number, please welcome the selected